Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So my name is Muhammad Faris bin Razmi, and I will be the representative from group 1 section 8 to present our way of validating data by using the modern tools, which is Matlab. So a bit introduction about Matlab. Matlab is a programming platform intended specifically for scientists and engineers to study, investigate, analyze, examine, design system, and also to validate products. So here in Matlab, the coding language is quite similar with the C Sharp or C++ coding, but Matlab has its own syntax, which is Matlab syntax. So we have to take a little bit of time to learn and also understand how this syntax works before proceeding for our need, which is to validate our calculation. So here we can see this is the interface of the Matlab software. As we can see, we have the taskbar up here, and we have the two main windows here, which is the editor windows and the command window. In this editor windows, this is where all the coding is being done here. The coding will be saved in the manner of the name of the file must be end with .m, and the file will be saved in the system. And then after that, we can recall back the function of in that file in the command window. So after the code has been run here, we can recall back the function we have in the code file in the command window, and all the output of this coding will be appeared in this command window. So next, we are going to look on how this coding is put to work. So we are going to look at what is the parameter that this code need in order for it to run the calculation, and also we're going to test one of the design to show that on how we validate our data by using this code. So first, the parameter that this code need is this two parameter, which is a and x. So this in this all the value in this bracket, in this square bracket, will be the parameter of this code. So as you can see here, this parameter is taken from the calculation, and then we are going to use this values and into the coding, and then we run the code. As for the parameter x, it will be 1 2 for the rest of the test. Okay, so we are going to test the value, the calculation for the design 1, lowest natural frequency. So we're going to take this for value and put it into this coding. So okay, now that we are done inputting all the parameter that we need into the coding, we are going to run this coding, and then we are going to recall back the function, which is the name of this file, and press enter. And then this is the output of the coding that we have done right here. It needs the parameter for dimension of the metric, so it will be 2 by 2, so you set 2, and also the tolerance is 0.0001, and for the iteration, let's say I will take 10 iteration. So after pressing enter, after inserting all the parameters needed, this is the output of our desired calculation, which is the value of eigenvalue and also the eigenvector. So as we can see here, the output is generated in manner of number of iteration, which is as we can see here, 5 iteration, and the last iteration will be the value taken for the eigenvalue. So here the converge value after 5 iteration is this value, and this is the corresponding eigenvector. So that is how the coding works. We need to input all the parameter we get from the calculation into this coding, into this part of coding, and then run it, and then recall back into the command window, and then insert more parameter that it needs, and then press enter, and then we get the desired answer. So that is how we validate our data by using Matlab. I think that is all. Thank you.